Now let's observe this interesting question here. We are given minus 7 all raised to x equals 7. So how do we solve for x? Now, the negative here is making the question complicated and intricate as well. So let's find a way to, get rid of the negative number here. If you try to, take log on both sides, and we know taking log of a negative number wouldn't be possible here. So let's try if we can get rid of the negative. All right, number here, solution. Okay, so we are given negative 7 raised to x equals to 7. Now I would like to introduce an identity called Euler's identity. So Euler's. So it says e raised to iota pi plus 1 equal to 0. So we would like to go by this identity. Okay, this identity is very powerful. Now if I try to make e raised to iota pi the subject, this side will be minus 1. So we have e raised to, okay, let me bring it here. Have e raised to iota pi, okay, equals to negative 1. So we have negative 1 here. It means where we see negative 1, we can put e raised to iota pi. So we are going to manipulate this one here. All right. Now, from here, I can say negative 1 times 7 all raised to x equals to 7. So let's observe this one carefully. So negative 1 times 7 is minus 7. Why am I doing that? Because I have minus 1 here. Okay, that is the same as e raised to iota pi. Okay, so let's quickly do the substitution. All right, so in place of minus 1, I'll put this one there. So I can say 7 times minus 1. So it's the same as 7 times. So the minus 1 is the same as this. E I pi, okay, raised to x. So we have this one done, equals to 7. Perfect. So we don't have any negative number here, so we are free to go. So from here we can take log on both sides, and I'll go by the natural log. All right, so I'll take ln on both sides. So ln of this 7 times e raised to x equals to ln of 7. So I have taken log on both sides. So this one is a power rule which will come behind here. So the same as x, okay, ln of, we have this 7 times e raised that equals to ln of 7. Now remember, we have product here. So when you see ln of AB, the same as ln of A plus ln of B. Okay, so I would like to go by that. So since AB here is 7e raised to I pi, that's the iota. All right, so let me quickly write this one as, so we have x, let me use this one. So we have ln of 7 plus ln of e raised to I pi equals to ln of 7. All right, now let's focus on this one. Okay, we have this one as par, so don't forget the rule. This one is a par, so to come behind the log, so we have x ln of 7. Okay, we have plus, so I pi ln of e equals to ln of 7. Now let's understand that ln of e is 1, so ln of e here is 1. Yeah, that's that. So in place of this, we can put 1 there, and putting 1 there is the same as that, so this 1 times 1. Okay, all right, so let me do this side. Okay, so from here I can say x ln of 7 plus I pi equals to ln of 7. All right, so guess what, we can find x here. So what do? We can, straight away divide both sides by this. So I have x ln of 7 plus, so I will divide both sides by that, I pi ln of 7 plus I pi. So this one will go. Okay, so my final answer here is ln of 7 on ln of 7 plus I pi. Ln of 7 plus I pi. All right, so subscribe for more. If I'm on Facebook, to follow for more. All right, so